Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.